Hey guys, so this hair review today was brought to you guys by DIVASWIGS.com. So today's video is going to be a start to finish black to blonde hair review. Now luckily you guys won't have to do this step if you don't want to get this unit in this color. DIVASWIGS.com decided to collab with me and create this unit in the honey blonde color. So you can go ahead and purchase it the honey blonde color, or you can go ahead and dye it the way I did. So if you're interested in doing that, follow the steps that I'm going to show you in the next few clips. Alrighty guys, so in this part I like to just take the frontal area in sections. So what I'm going to do is just split the sections up and dye it not all the way at the root, but close to the root, just to give me like a little bit of darkness in the root, so it's not completely a full blonde wig, so it looks realistic. This trick kind of works for women of color, just so it's not shocking AF coming out of your roots. So I just did it a little bit high up into the root, but not too much, and I'm just going to fully bleach the entire thing. But what I am going to do is just take my time with the frontal part, and then in the back I'm just going to go ham on that. It's not really a big deal. It's all going to process and get one tone color. Alright guys, so this is what it kind of should look like once you're done bleaching it. So I bleached it for about an hour and 15 minutes. I actually lost track of time and then ended up realizing that, oh snap, I left it on. So this is what it looks like once I've washed it. You guys can actually see it's like a little bit like a sandy honey blonde color. So we're going to go ahead and move along with some Wella Charms T18. I only had 2 boxes. Sally unfortunately is not open, so this is what I had in my stash. So I'm going to use Wella's Charm with some 40 volume developer, and we are going to get this toned a little bit nice. Now if you don't have Wella Charms, you can go ahead and use Purple Shampoo. They both do about the same thing, guys. I just had Wella Charms, and because I was dyeing this as a full blonde wig, I decided just to do an extra step by doing the Wella Charm, and then I did go ahead and wash the wig, guys, with my Purple Shampoo to tone the unit down even more. So this unit is a real kind of like honey blonde ash tone unit, guys, like dead serious. So after leaving the Wella's Charm in for about 35 minutes, this is the color that I get after blow drying it out and doing a little bump. So this unit is absolutely gorgeous, guys. You can see like a little bit of low lights and highlights come through. So what I'm going to do is just do a basic install, guys, nothing too cray-cray. So you can see right here it looks very natural on the perimeter. So I'm going in with the bolt hold. I'm going to do a really light install. The install actually lasted me about 3 to 4 days. I always tell you guys, I get this question a lot. How many days does the bolt hold last? It lasts me about 3 to 4 days, and I feel like that's perfect. I did style this hair in my last recent try on. You guys loved it. So 3 to 4 days is the hold time for the bolt hold, and it does fabulous. this is it, guys. So this is what it looks like after putting the headscarf down for about 5 minutes. So obviously you're going to have to clean the perimeter with a little bit of alcohol, but for now it looks fabulous. Looks like a really nice kind of like yaki texture. So look at the length, guys. Not too bad. Nice bob length. So what I'm going to do is go in, guys, and just trim the front a little bit. I like it like this, but I also don't really like that too much length going down the front. So I am going to trim it a little just to make it even. You guys will see how it looks, and it's just going to be such a cute style. If I was your boss, nothing's addicted to you, but I'm not, so I can't, and I won't. If I was your girl, yeah, make it all my school belongs to you. If I was your boss, nothing's addicted to you, but I'm not, but if I was your girl. Finished look of this super pretty unit right here. So guys, today's video was another black to blonde transformation. I do one of these like every single year. So I used this unit that was sent to me from DIVASWIGS.com. I will leave all the information down below. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. A little bit of a longer video, but I wanted to explain the steps to you guys to achieve this very pretty full ash blonde, kind of honey blonde look. So this unit, guys, the SKU number on this unit is the LF076. Now the hair length on this one is 10 inches long, and it's 180% density. Now obviously this is a natural color wig, but obviously I did go ahead and dye it. So processing on this unit is very, very good. This unit does very well with bleaching and all that kind of stuff, so that's nothing to worry about. I will turn around and show you guys what the back looks like. I absolutely love this. It's like a wrap style. I did show you guys me doing that kind of 90s inspired swoop, so I guess you could say it's like a 90s inspired hairstyle with just a different color. But I do like the overall look. It's a nice kind of like, it's almost kind of like a light yaki texture, guys, and it just looks really nice. I like the bob effect. It did have like a little bit of length in the front, but I decided to go ahead and trim it just because I like mine to be like a little bit rounded against my kind of long ass head. But I think all in all this came out very, very nice. The color is perfect. I did tone my hair, guys. Obviously I showed you guys with Wella Charms T18. Now I used only 2 bottles of it, and I only had like a little bit of developer, so the ratio of the developer and the hair dye was off, but it still worked out anyways just because this is not that much hair. It's only 10 inches long. It's 180% density, but 2 boxes of the Wella Charms work perfectly on this unit, guys. I absolutely love it. Let me know what you guys think about the color. It is kind of close to my skin tone, which you guys probably will mention in the comment section, but I do feel like it's a nice, like subtle, kind of like soft type of tone, so it definitely could work for anybody, guys. So guys, I will leave all the information down below per usual if you're interested in purchasing this unit from DIVASWIGS.com. But do not forget, guys, to thumbs up this video, leave your comments down below, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family, people, and I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.